living in Fairfield Bay, Arkansas in 2023. If you are looking for a beautiful region to put a new home in, perhaps you should check the Fairfield Bay Community Club in Arkansas State. We own a few properties in the area, and I am sure you're going to love them for a variety of reasons, one of which is their prices. All are listed under the market value price. This area is quickly becoming one of the most sought-after community experiences in Arkansas. This shaded quiet property has paved road access, and zoning allows for a single-family home. Come experience life in this award-winning community today. Imagine waking up each morning in the picturesque community of Fairfield Bay, Arkansas, surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty and a tight-knit community that feels like home. In 2023, the opportunity of a lifetime presents itself in the form of a sprawling lot that's now available for sale, and it's priced under market value. Imagine building your dream home on this stunning piece of land, surrounded by rolling hills and serene landscapes. The possibilities are endless, and the value is unmatched. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a piece of paradise in the heart of Fairfield Bay. And here is the legal description for the property. Section 17 Township, 11N Range, 12W Acreage, 0.31 Mixed Forest, 0.19 Acreage, 62.2%, Developed Open Space, 0.12 Acreage, 37.8%, Elevation 655 feet, Address, West Cliff Drive and Meadow, Fairfield Bay, Arkansas 72088. School District, Shirley School District Updated 2021 Q4 Lot, 64 Block, 1 City, Addition, Lakewood School District, 03F, Annual Property Tax, $14.34, HOA Monthly Fee $48. If this interests you, contact us by phone, email or even comment below, and we will contact you back for further information on the land. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, and shake the bell. That is to notify you when we publish new videos. By the way, we own more residential lots in the region if you don't fall in love with this parcel. I see you in the next video. Bye.